Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. This is going to be a quick video and a little bit of a quick tip on your tomatoes or any other kind of vegetables or plants that you have. How do you hold yours up? I mean, this is what I use and it's worked out terrific. You can use it year after year, and it is not like a twine or a rope that will dig into your plants. It is completely reusable every year, and it works like a charm. I'll take you in the shop and I'll show you exactly why I use this.
Well, the question is, why do I use that material? Well, this is the material here. I buy it in, it's I believe 10 meters or around 30 feet, and it is just terrific material. It's called, this one here is 6 mil, and you know, it's stretchy. It does a terrific job. I've used it for many different applications before, and all I do is I just put one of these S hooks on, or whatever you want to put on the end of it to fabricate your own holder. You can use all kinds of things, you know, for this, and you know, for the price, I think I paid like 13 bucks for 30 feet or 33 feet. You know, it's terrific, and it stretches way out there, and it's reusable from one year to the next. Now, the biggest problem I had in the past is you go and buy this garden twine kind of stuff. Well, it's very rigid. It's not flexible. This here, yeah, you can just tie it up anywhere. It'll hold up the plants without digging into them, especially on a windy day. You get a windy day, yeah, you can find all kinds of grooves in your plants from the cord actually biting into it. This is reusable. You don't got to buy twine all the time. I think it's a terrific use. And for the price, it's right. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. And if you've never seen how to make one of them planters before, that is a raised bed non-toxic planter. I'll put a link down below how I built mine, and you can build one too. Cheers.